What's good with y'all? What's good, man? We back with another video. Y'all already see I got Dolo uncovered, man. We about to snatch the hood off. Go ahead and switch these motor mounts out. I mean, not motor mount bolts, motor mounts out, so we can set this engine completely down, man, cause the thing sitting up, I showed y'all in the previous episode. So we about to get this motor set completely down, button down and all that, motor mount bolts in. I got a real busy day today, so I'm out here early so I can get this done. Cause I wanna have it set up so when I get another full day, I'm going in on it. I'm going all the way in. I'm hooking up everything, boom, 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 knocking out whatever I can knock out. Y'all remember when I put in a full day of work on big meats? I got that thing where it was cranking up. So that's the plan for this. So today I want to get these motor mounts switched out. So y'all how I'm gonna do it. I want to get the cross member completely in. Transmission mount in there, put down and everything, tighten down. Headers on. I want to do all that. That's what I want to get done today. And I'm gonna stop right there because I'm heading to South Carolina Motorplex today. 2.5 hours for me, so I got to get this done early. Then the girls want to ride in big meets today, so I'm taking for a ride in big meets. So I'm trying to get all of this stuff done before we hit the road and hit South Carolina. So that's enough of that. I'm finna get the hood out, get everything set up, then we're gonna get to work. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, so I'm back. Got everything hooked up. Got the transmission jacked up. Had to move my jack stand cause the leg was here. So I got one on the side over there. Cause I wanna stay even. I'm gonna go in crooked, but y'all see, that's the problem. You can definitely see these different motor mounts. These are high motor mount. I can tell you, I'm looking at them now. So I'm gonna show you, you'll be able to see them better when I take them off. So I'm gonna hurry up and zip these things off. I gotta get that bolt out over there. Get that motor mount bolt out. Pick this thing up. I'm gonna have to pull it out a little bit. I already see that now. Then I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna take them out, then we're gonna change them out. And it should fall on there, so stay tuned. Alright, so we checking in. I got the ratchet instead. I got them all broken loose already. So go ahead and hit the easy side first where I got the more clearance. Then I'm gonna hit the hit that side over there. I should be able to get the ratchet in there. That's the only thing about that impact. Sometimes like situation like this, it's too bulky and big to get on there. And that's why I'm gonna be buying me an electric ratchet soon. That Milwaukee. Y'all know I'm getting Milwaukee. I'm gonna get me a Milwaukee electric ratchet, cause man, I could put that ratchet right here and just hit that button, zip these things off. I done been in a lot of situations these last few weeks. I'm like, man, I need to go in here and get that ratchet, cause it would have came in handy. This one on, this another one. So I'm gonna get that one out there. I'm gonna show y'all too. But while I'm at it, I might well give y'all some real talk, cause I ain't did in a few vlogs. And man, you know, I want to talk about standing on what you believe in. Because you know, I had a conversation with a friend or whatever. And you know, me, I like to give people motivation and inspiration and all that. And yeah, you know, it's a risk or whatever, cause you got people out there, they ain't got good hearts and all that stuff. And they want to see you down or whatever, or they want to take from you or whatnot. But at the end of the day, you gotta do what you believe in. And you gotta do what you feel is right and what make you happy in life. You know, regardless. And you know, I know you done heard the saying, no risk, no reward. That's real life. No risk, no reward, man. And I mean, I'm more about helping people than worried about what's gonna come behind it, negative. Cause the thing about it, y'all, you can go out your house and somebody having a bad day and they can hit you on top of the head. You can be a target. You ain't did nothing. Don't even know you. That's just how life is. So you gotta do what you want to do in life. At the end of the day, whatever you want to do in your heart. So that's my real talk for today. I got this one just about off. Then we're gonna hit the other side. Then before I put the new ones on, I'm gonna lay them down and compare them so we can see what the difference is. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I got them all. I saw it as soon as I took it off. Yep, this is a high motor mount right here. That's a low. I'm trying to hold them up. There you go. That's a low. You can see it. You see how how short that is, how long? This is a high motor mount, probably for a truck or something. This the one I needed. I wouldn't have never got that engine and set down flat. Unc said it too. He said, I think I might have gave you the wrong motor mount. This how you can tell too. This is what I looked at off top. Right there. Look at that. So now, when I put these on, it should set straight down. I guarantee it. We about to see though, y'all. Stay tuned. So I'm back. We got both of them on. Side on. Went on pretty easy. Side on. Just had to use that ratchet. Like I said, I will be getting me a Milwaukee electric ratchet, which will speed that process up if I ever have to do it again. So it should sit right down on there. It should line up this time. Now the problem I was having was the passenger side was lining up and going down, and this was not. And I know it's supposed to be dropping down because everything was in line. When I lined that transmission up and had it in the mount, I said, okay, I got a problem. That's when I called Unc. So I'm about to mess with this. I know I'm finna have to finesse it a little bit again. And hopefully in the next clip, y'all should see me have the motor mount bolts in there. So just stay tuned. Alright, so we're checking in. We got the motor mounts tightened up, buttoned down, everything buttoned down like it's supposed to. You can see it line right up. This side gave me a little fight this time. This side went in smooth. Bolt just went shoot right in there. Then I had to finesse that side a little bit, but it's tightened down. So now we're gonna officially say the engine is in. Now I ran into the first problem, but it's not a problem I wasn't expecting. The cross member is not going to work. It's sitting up there. One side. This side over here will line up. I could weld that side, weld it down. I have done it before. But I'm going to search to see if I can find a cross member, which I think they make one. I think they make an aftermarket one. If I remember right, I saw one. And I'm going to order that. So, I'm going to get the cross member. I already know I'm going to run into a drive shaft issue, which I'm probably going to go ahead and order that. I didn't want to order this stuff because it's supposed to be quote-unquote budget. But, you know, you probably talking about $500 between them two parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and order a cross member. I'm gonna measure now. Now I know where it's at. I can measure and get the right length and all of that. So I'm gonna do that. I think it's 60 inches though, if I remember right. So then the first problem. So now I'm about to try to pop these headers on. At least get the corner bolts. Get the corner bolts started and all of that. And I probably stop right there. I'm not gonna put them completely on, but I want to get them up there, so I can get some more boxes out the garage too. Cause like I said, it's a busy day today and all that. So let's get to that. Alright y'all, so I'm checking back in. And today might be a little short video. Y'all see I got the headers out. And man, I thought about it. I got these headers for a G-body. Now I was thinking about big meats. For whatever reason at the time. I bought these headers a long time ago if you remember right. And as soon as I took this one out, cause the passenger side was the one I was really worried about. As soon as I took it out and saw this tube hang out like that, I already knew what time it was. I was like, nope, they ain't gonna work. And the pattern too like that. So I can show you the headers on big meats. You're gonna notice the difference. See how that tube, I've seen enough headers to know. I already know. So now look at that. I popped the hood on meats. They'll work on meats, but I'm not about to do all that work. I'm really not. I'm not about to take these headers off, take this off, switch them over. I'm not doing all that. They'll work on meat, see? No heater box. So that tube that swing over will be fine. But you see, that back tube right there, it just tucked down. And that one tucks under and not over the middle tube. So now the driver side, The driver's side will probably work with no problems. It will work with no issues. Pretty positive. Let me cover this back up. I'm gonna dry this in a minute so it get hot. But yeah, the driver's side will work with no problems. Now, I already got some coming. I got the right ones coming. So it's all good. These right here, I'm gonna go ahead and keep. Cause that way I had the headers for wifey car. When it's time to put the V8 in there, we already had a header. So I'm gonna keep those, and we're gonna use them on wifey car. So right now, headers, I gotta order a cross member and get the drive shaft, and I'm gonna order all that stuff at the same time. Cause like when I work, I don't like running stuff like this, cause it's a hold up, or it's really nothing I can do right now. But they're part of the game. I was expecting them to, and I was kind of 50-50 on the headers. So the stuff I'm running into, I'm not shocked at none of that. So it's all good. I know what I am gonna do. Next video, not today, obviously, cause this part my plan. But I'm gonna put the starter on, pour the oil in it, put the filter on, and go ahead and prime the engine up while I don't have all the front stuff on, and I can rotate it. I'm gonna put my three balancer bolts in there, and I can turn it by the pry bar before any spark plugs in it. Cause this engine got some compression. It says about 10.5 or 1071. It's 10.5 minimum, 1071. But say I'm gonna go ahead and turn it and prime it up real good while I don't have nothing in my way and nothing on the engine. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna set it top dead center, drop the distributor back in, and then by the time I do all that, hopefully the stuff be coming in. I'm gonna find the wires too. I gotta find which wires what, cause I know that's a starter wire. They're always purple. So I gotta find out what they got going on right here, or had going on I should say. Wire that up. I'm gonna clean this AC line up, go ahead and plumb it in. All that good stuff. The radiator in, I gotta find them. I'm probably gonna have to get on to make me some of them brackets to hold the radiator and all that. I can go ahead and mount the fuel pump. So I'm gonna be doing everything around. I'm gonna be working the stuff that I can work, and the stuff that I gotta wait on, we just gonna wait. So ain't no big deal, but we in there, so it's a good thing. So it's down here from there. That's all I can say, is down here. So y'all come back. I don't know, tomorrow. Well, probably tomorrow. Yeah, I've been dropping video back to back. So y'all come back tomorrow. We still messing with meat. Y'all know meat's road ready now. And yeah, that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, even though it was short. It wasn't action packed, but we can say we're officially in there. So I'll catch y'all on that video. I'm out.